How to get the copy of the added sticker in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the duplicate or copy of the added sticker in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. You have to open the YT Create application, and you can see I have already added up the sticker of the subscribe button. Now if I want to the copy of this sticker, so I can tap right here on this sticker. Now you have to scroll down this list, and at the end of this list you will see the duplicate option. So you can just tap right here on the duplicate, and you can see this duplicate will be created.